have a little bit of a fishy situation with Jupiter. Nothing crazy, but something that you need to know. So with that said, we jump straight into the laptop. First thing first though, 32% profit on my 400x Ethereum long. If you're a trader, make sure to join me over on Weex. Why? Well, because if you're from the US, if you're from Nigeria, if you're from India, UK, there is no KYC needed for this one. So simply deposit your funds over here from MetaMask or any other exchange. No KYC, trade up to 400x leverage. There are so many different ones. There are so many new as well that they come over here, which we see here. If we go to the system notification, Red, LMW, Pirate, Labs, there are so many new tokens. This is just in the last 25 minutes. So there is something crazy. I got my order history here. I trade. Make sure to join. They got some promotions. They got loyalty rewards by simply trading 5,000. You get up to 11 Ethereum pool. You got the daily spin, which I will leave you this link down below. As soon as you sign up, you have a winning. So when you win $5, 3,000 WXT token, $10, 1 Ethereum, it is up to you, but you can go and do it. So by simply signing up, I give you the possibility already to win them exclusively for my referrals link down below. So definitely something really nice. I really like this exchange. I partner with them. I like how they trade it. They got everything that I need over here. Look how many tokens they've got. You can long and short them all the way that you want, especially in this market, which tomorrow is going to be a big day. It is incredibly important to start trading, in my opinion, but I'm no financial advisor whatsoever. But if you want to, come and join me on the trade and let me know in the comments, what should I trade? Following up, I got 5 more invites code for term finance. You know how this works. First come, first serve. Link will be down below. All you gotta do is complete these missions, with one of them being providing liquidity in USDC stablecoin. So go and do it. 5 codes only. Make sure you grab it. Next up, we got the Ari Chain TGE has been rescheduled for Q2 2025. So the Ari Chain will come. We do have 2 airdrops to go and claim, by the way, in this video. It's not whether we don't have anything to claim. We do have some updates and some claimings, but not the Ari Chain. This one has been rescheduled, unfortunately, for Q2. Let me know if you are one of the farmers of this airdrop. Talking about Jupiter, we can see here, as we saw also from this tweet over here, but we're gonna go and evaluate ourselves. We see that Jupiter has removed the bridge as their bridging partner, and now it is powered by LeFi, as seen over here. Now, this has been a little bit of a perplex, and in what way? Why is it a little bit perplexing that you have the possibility to go and trade on LeFi and not the bridge? Well, LeFi has been hacked. It has been hacked in 2024. I believe it was the summer of 2024. And yeah, the bridge has not been hacked. But as we see here, they said that the integration saves a lot of code, and we thought the bridge was part of an aggregation of LeFi. We are reverting this. So whether or not they have reverted it, as of right now, we don't see this powered by LeFi anymore over here. We don't even see powered by the bridge. But the fact that they have done these changes, and yes, it is not a voting, it was not on the governance, it was not a voting proposal from the community to change who they stuck with. Well, LeFi, as we see here, $11 million has been hacked from the LeFi release incident reports following $11 million hack, which is why the community didn't want it. Now we see it also here from Seong. Here is the co-founder of Jupiter, which says the integration saves a lot of the code, and we thought the bridge was part of the aggregation of LeFi. It wasn't. It saved them, and they have reverted it. So we are reverting it, currently reverting it, which means have they done it or not? But make sure, I hope they do an explanation. I hope they tweet it out if they revert or not. As of right now, I don't see anything on their page saying that they have reverted from it or not, but we take their words for granted. In this case, we give them the benefit of the doubt, especially because they did listen to the community, which was really nice. But make sure to always check these things. Keep updated over on Twitter with any of the influencer within the Solana ecosystem or the Jupiter ecosystem by itself, if also that is very important. But yeah, they have done this, and it seems like they reverted to the bridge, which now would be great. It is great if they've done it. I cannot see anything as of right now in terms of the aggregator that they use, but theoretically it should be something to do here. Maybe if they do it. No, they don't really show it. The fee aggregator, Meteora, One Market, as we see here, DLM. So they don't show whether it is the bridge or, oh, they got Leafinity again. They haven't reverted yet. So, oh, now it is via Radium, then it is via Vfinity. So it's a little bit like this. But anyway, we'll come back to it. Here we go. More updates on it. Next up, we have the Elixir Airdrop Network Claim Checker is now live. It is a nothing here that gives you all the description, eligibility, connect your wallet to check if you're eligible, connect your MetaMask wallet, your Phantom wallet, your Backpack wallet, all the wallets that you can. And as we see here, I am not eligible for this. Now, the eligibility criteria, we can find them over here, and they have been the following. So they got all of these things which you have to go and read, but basically everybody that provided within the ecosystem. Personally, I didn't utilize this one. I haven't heard much of it. I did hear about it, but I haven't interacted with it. But here, the claiming is going to be live very, very soon. Once claimed, the token ELX balance will be auto-delegated to one of the ELX Foundation validators. Users can undelegate and withdraw their ELX at any point. Withdrawing ELX during the 3 months period will forfeit any future ELX bootstrapping bonus though, so be ready for it. Next up, we have the RedStone airdrop. As we see over here, the Red Miner airdrop is live. You can claim your Red token, and the link will be down below as we see over here. Accept the terms and conditions as we see it here from officially. Then you can claim and stake your Red on the official claim page. After claiming, you'll prompt to stake it on the RedStone ABS powered by Eigenlayer. Stakers earn Red rewards and partner incentivized with real yield from RedStone data users planned in the futures. So make sure to go and claim it. The link will be down below. If you have the possibility to, you can simply add without connecting your wallet, which is nice to see. Simply add your wallet over here, check if you're eligible, and I am not eligible for this one. You can go and do every one that you want. Phantom, Backpack, MetaMask, whichever you pick and choose. Go and try it and let me know if you're eligible down in the comments below. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you did enjoy it, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.